everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is very extreme but exciting at the same time. I will be cutting my hair and donating it because why not? Two birds, one stone. I will be attempting to do myself a nice makeover, a short haircut, because my hair is so freaking long and it's so difficult to deal with it, to do any hairstyles, to wash it, like it's actually a pain. And I'm so excited to have a new face, a new haircut, and just be light and wavy and no need to spend hours in the bathroom and all that. And I thought as well to do a little nice thing, because why not? I will be donating my hair to the Little Princess Trust, which is a charity here in UK, and they do weeks for the kids and people obviously in need, because they either had like cancer, like sort of that stuff, so they need a week. And I'm very happy to share my hair and make it more functional for someone else. So let's start this very crazy adventure. So last time when I cut my hair, it was like ages ago, like definitely more than 1 year ago, and my hair grows quite quickly. I'm not complaining, I'm quite happy about that, but I feel like it's time for a change. And if you ever think of donating your hair, then I highly encourage you, because it's a good thing to do, so why not? Basically, they have a couple of requirements. They don't accept hair that's shorter of like 17 centimeters. They accept only natural hair, like if it's dyed to be like in a color like this, because mine is dyed, but it looks pretty normal. It's no blue, no pink, anything like that. They don't accept dreadlocks. It's very difficult to deal with that type of hair. And one of the most important things as well is to be dry, because it's very difficult to dry hair once it's cut. So it should be in excellent condition, to be like clean. They don't accept as well hair extensions or henna dyed hair and completely gray hair. I have lots of gray hair, but I feel like it's still usable, right? On this side it's absolutely scary, but I feel like they can select the little strands, so I think it's fine as long as you're not completely grey. So yeah, that's their main requirements, and I think my hair kind of fits that category. I hope it's gonna be useful for them. If not, at least I've tried. So talk is cheap, let's jump into cutting my hair. Last time I cut it with a pair of nail scissors, and it wasn't that bad. As you can see by this picture, I'm actually amazed how well I did. If I did it so well with the nail scissor, then no doubt I'll be doing well this time. If not, I'll just have a quick cry and get back to life and wait until it grows again. I will try to split it into equal quantities, like from here, and just give it a little brush. And the next step that I'm gonna do is get a lot of elastic bands that I've got here and just try to do some ponytails. My hair is quite thick and I should do like a couple from this, but I'm quite lazy, so I'll just do two big ones from each side. So let's do this. So let's see, let's decide how short I want my hair to be, and I think it should be somewhere here. Also, the greatest need is like 41 centimeters, and yeah, I think you have to grow a lot of hair to get to that length, but I feel like every little bit helps, right? And I'm gonna add the last elastic to the first ponytail. And I'll repeat the same thing with this side. Okay, did myself a nice hairstyle, right? But the journey is not over here. I'm actually gonna measure and see how long is my hair, because I've got no idea. All I know is that it's longer than 17 centimeters, so it's good already, right? Like, did you ever measure your hair with this type of stuff? Let's put it just here and all the way down. I think I've got about like 37-38 centimeters. It's not even fitting. Like, look at this, my hair is so long, it's not even fitting in the frame, which is one more sign I have to cut it, right? So it's about like 38-37 centimeters, which I think is gonna do so well for them. Now this time I've got a very good pair of scissors, like actually proper scissors that, you know, your hairstylist will do your haircut. And you may ask why I'm doing this home and not going to a hairstylist. Well, usually I've had very dramatic situations in the past, or like very bad experiences, and they used to cut my hair in like very awful hairstyles, and I never liked it, and I'm like,
I'm paying so much money for something that I hate.
so I'm like, at least if I'm not gonna like it, it's gonna be for free, right? So especially that's not the first time I'm cutting myself my own hair, and yeah, what could go wrong? Many things could go wrong, right? But yeah, at least I'm not gonna pay a lot of money for a haircut that I don't want. And this was about like 95% of the time when I went to a hairstylist. So now, the moment of the truth, the most waited moment for like 5 or 6 months. I'm actually quite scared. I'm so freaking scared. I don't know how it's gonna go. It's gonna be too short, too long. I mean,
I think I need to say a prayer.
but either way, I've decided I'm gonna do it, so let's do it. To be honest, I'm aiming something for like the latest Hailey Bieber trend, which it seems like everyone is having at the moment, or like Chiara Ferragni, or you know, that short of bob style thing. I'm pretty sure this is not what I'm gonna have, because what are the odds? Let's be honest, huh? Me just cutting my hair randomly like this. I'm not a hairstylist nor anything, but finally, let's do it.
2 hours later.
Okay, not gonna lie, that took me at least 15 minutes because I told you I have very dense, very thick hair, and usually, you know, the quantity of one ponytail that I have is in just someone's head. So I mean, I have the double the amount of that hair. And look at this thickness, look at this hair. That took me a while. I should use an axe if I'm honest, but so far I like what I see. I mean, it looks a little bit like a ducky tail, but this is what I expected. Yeah, I'll be doing the same thing with the next one, and hopefully I end up with something similar, because what do you think? Or should I leave it like that so I can look like Ava Max? Anyway, I think the kids need my hair. It's just funny how I saw how people do this stuff on YouTube or like in the videos, and they go to the hairdresser and the hairdresser is like, boop, that's it, you're done. And me is like struggling like at least 15 minutes, because if you're gifted with lots of hair, then you know the pain. Okay guys, what do we think about this? I think I did a pretty good job, to be honest. I was quite scared, but you know, I think it's pretty acceptable. Feels like I don't have any weight on my shoulders. I feel like it's really nice. The only downside is the fact that it gets a little bit like a little ducky tail on the backside, but whatever, I think it's fine. If I did it, then you definitely can't do it. And I can't believe now my hair is so short. I can't even make like a little ponytail or something. It's just not enough, but I quite like it. Like, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, do subscribe, and if you ever thought to cut your hair, do it. Just do it. How would you rate my haircut? Let me know down in the comments below. How would you rate it? Is it good? Is it bad? Do let me know. But above everything, I like it. So see you next time. Mwah.